Jai Srimannarayana. 30th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Apare niyataharaha pranan praneshu juhvati सर्वेप्येते यज्ञविदो यज्ञक्षपित कल्मषाः ॐ. With a regulated diet, do your breath control exercises. Perform all your actions as service of Sriman Narayana. That concept destroys all the sinful reactions from your past actions. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall regulate my diet and do breath control exercises. I shall perform all my actions as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Parasurama killed Kartavirya-Arjuna's sons and with their heads he made huge mountain. And Tadraktena Nadim Ghoram Abrahmanya Bhaya Avaham, with their blood he made one river also. Those kings who insults Brahmanas, they all started getting scared of that. And Parasurama went around the entire world. Trisapta krutvaha prudhivim krutva nihi kshatriyam prabhuhu samanta panchake chakre sonitodan khradan nava. Thinking that all the kings are doing wrong things, Parasurama went around the entire world for 21 times and killed all the kings, and with all of their blood he made 9 ponds in the place which is called as Samanta Panchakam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 30th sloka. Apare niyataharaha pranan praneshu juhvati sarvepyete yajnavidaha yajnakshapita kalmashaha. Apare niyataharaha pranan praneshu juhvati sarvepyete yajnavidaha yajnakshapita kalmashaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.